He was born in the 1930s in Italy. His family was poor. His father used to sell vegetables on the streets, but he never saw his father. His father died 5 months before he was born. He was the 5th child of the family. At the time of his birth, his mother was scared. How will she raise all the children alone? She had no money. Later, his mother tried raising the family alone, working on small jobs, but she failed. There were days they all slept without food. When he was 7, his mother took him out. He was happy seeing all the cars and tall buildings outside, but all the way his mother was crying. His mother took him inside a large building. She kissed him with tears rolling down her eyes, and then she left. That little child soon realized he was inside an orphanage. He felt sad for days, missing his family, his mother. But then he realized he cannot do anything. He has to accept this new life. In this new home, the nuns became like his mother. As he was growing up, he made a promise to himself. He will stand on his feet and not depend on others for help. So, at the age of 14, he took up a job in a factory. One night, when he was working in the factory, there was a major accident. Part of his index finger was cut. He was in pain. He even thought of quitting. But soon he was back to his work. Time went by. He started finding spectacles interesting. He got an idea that spectacles can not only be a necessity but also a part of fashion. He started taking night classes in a fine arts academy. He started learning all about spectacles and designing. From the money he saved, he started a small company manufacturing spectacles. But things were initially very difficult. 6 years went by, and slowly the business started picking up. And now his company owns more than 7,000 eyewear stores worldwide with over 80,000 employees. He is Leonardo Del Vecchio, the second richest person in Italy. His company, Luxottica, owns major global brands like Ray-Ban and Oakley. In life, it does not matter whether you are rich or poor. It does not matter whether you have big degrees or not. It does not matter if people are supporting you or you are all alone. All that matters is your dedication to achieve your dream. If you want to achieve your dream, be ready to work hard. Be ready to face all the hardships, because the rest does not matter. Also, a final shout out for our book, The Singing Panda. Do check it out. It will guide you towards your goal and most importantly, won't let you give up. Thank you.